In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bookmap volume dots. Now to do this, first you want to activate them to of course be able to see them on your chart. So you want to go to the top here and you want to click on Configure Visible Components. And when you do that, here at the very bottom, you want to click on volume dots. And now here they are, as you can see here on my chart. Now it's important to actually understand these to basically know how to use them. So the first important thing here are colors. As you can see, there's going to be red and green ones. So green dots are going to indicate aggressive buyers, which of course are market buy orders hitting the best ask, okay? And then the red dots like these over here are going to represent aggressive sellers, which are basically market sell orders hitting the best bid. Now, the second important thing over here is the size. As you can see, there are different sizes. They are very small, medium, and then very, very big, such as these green ones over here. Now, the size of the dot actually corresponds to the amount of volume executed. And of course, larger dots over here are going to mean more contracts or shares were traded at specific price and the moment, okay? So of course, that's kind of a different way to kind of see how the market is doing. And of course, what's very important here is that if you want to see the exact volume, you want to hover over a specific dot, for example, this one, and you can see everything over here. You can see kind of the time, the ask, and you can also see the volume as well, okay? If I go and put my mouse over a different one, as you can see, it's going to be different data because of course, they vary between each other, okay? So that's kind of the most important things to know when you're trying to use Bookmap volume dots. But of course, you could also customize these. So if you right click on any of these dots, you can go and of course change colors down here. So as you can see, you can change between green and red. You can make it something else by clicking on these colors and picking a new color. It's completely up to you. And then of course here you can also make sure they are visible. If there are, you can go ahead and hide them by clicking that or not. It's completely up to you. And you also have two more options, which are the large trades alert. So this is not actually connected to these, but then you have this volume dot settings, and if you click on it, it's going to take you into the settings over here where you can go and change the settings of these volume dots. So that's really all there is to know about these volume dots. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.